Take a look at this simple pencil. Just a tip and a wooden body. But it will become one of the most powerful tools of communication in human history. The first pencils were simple writing tools. Over time, they became a way to convey our thoughts, ideas, and stories. The pencil became a bridge of communication between people. As an idea was drawn onto paper, messages were passed down through generations. The pencil is not just an object, it is a symbol of thought and expression. Even a single line or word written by pencil can become a lasting message. People have shared dreams and knowledge across borders and ages. In classrooms, journals, and art studios, pencils have recorded important discoveries, inspired creativity, and helped us remember. Each mark tells a story, capturing a moment in time. Despite advances in technology, the act of writing with a pencil remains deeply personal. It connects the writer to the page, and the thought to the world. From the first sketches to the notes that guide us daily, the pencil's impact continues. Even though we have computers and phones today, the pencil remains a powerful tool that makes our thoughts tangible. Every word written on paper is part of humanity's chain of communication. From the first sketches to the notes that guide us daily, the pencil's impact continues. Tiny Facts Studio.